Yes, I'm out here working at North Mall in Millertown Pike. There's a real aggressive panhandler, cussing motorist. Just wanted to let y'all know.
Gotcha. And this guy, white, black, Hispanic?
White male, I can't tell age, blue jeans, black t-shirt.
What's he doing?
He's just pacing around. Saw him hit a sign with his fist earlier. Then I just looked over and heard him yelling at a car.
Okay. I'll get officer up there, man. Okay, thank you.
All right, thanks.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye.
What's up, buddy? Hey, take a seat for me. Take a seat for me. Sit down.
What's going on?
All right. Listen, when I tell you to sit down.
I'm just picking up. Okay.
Hold a second.
What's wrong? That's my work knife. I'm going to work.
That's fine. Hey, that's fine. I'm going to hold on to it while we talk.
He was meeting me at McDonald's.
Okay. Hey, what's your name? You got ID on you?
Yeah.
All right, let me see it real quick.
I'm just trying to go.
Let me see your ID.
What's wrong? I'm upset. My girlfriend's.
It's illegal.
I'm not doing that. I just come from McDonald's.
No, listen, man. I'm out here for a reason, all right?
I just came from McDonald's.
Okay, give me your ID. Let's go.
I swear to God, ask.
Pull your ID out.
I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, I saw you. But sit down.
No, I'm not doing nothing. Here it is.
Give me your hand.
No,
Give me your other hand.
Okay.